Hello and welcome to the Practical Mentoring online course. We hope that you will enjoy this learning experience and find it helpful for your continued professional development as a mentor. This training is a follow-up to the Introduction to Mentoring online course that you have already completed. The Introduction to Mentoring course introduced you to the basic concepts related to mentoring and to the importance of a robust, intentional mentoring program in the life of an organization.
Practical mentoring aims to give you a personal, hands-on learning experience so you can grow in and reflect on your competencies as a mentor. Since the course is structured around practical learning tasks, it's a prerequisite that you have a mentee or possibly a group of mentees, either at work or in your church, with whom you can interact and complete the learning tasks. The course aims to, firstly, provide you with new information and help you think it through, and then secondly, give you an opportunity to apply that knowledge and put it into practice in your context, to reflect on your experience and gain relevant insights. To help you to visualize these goals, here's a diagram. You will build on the information presented in the modules, add meaning to gain knowledge, and through applying that knowledge, gain insights and grow in wisdom.
You could think of each module as a buffet meal. At the beginning of each module, you will choose from 2 or 3 starters. These appetizers are short, simple activities to get you thinking about the topic and whet your appetite. After the appetizers, you will move on to the main course. You will interact with new materials, and then there's a learning task that you will complete together with your mentee in the form of a conversation. Finally, as a dessert, you will be asked to reflect on the learning task and write a journal entry about what you have learned. At the end of each module, you will have the opportunity to debrief with a facilitator and hopefully gain some sweet insights. We estimate that each module will take you about 4 hours to complete, including the conversation with your mentee and the debrief with the facilitator. The course is self-directed, so you can interact with the materials whenever you have the time. Just as in a restaurant you sometimes talk about your different meals, what new food you are experiencing and enjoying or not, you could get together with others you know who are taking this course and discuss what you each are learning. Learning, like dining, is always more fun with others, and research suggests that it is also more effective.
We do hope that practical mentoring will be of help to you in your continued professional development by identifying where you need to grow, seeking ways to achieve that growth. Here shows this is a cyclical process. The process moves from identifying your development needs to carrying out your learning activities, then reflecting on your learning experience, and finally applying that to your work and sharing it with others. Reflection and debrief are integral parts of the learning process. So during the debrief sessions, verbalizing your reflection will help you to sharpen your understanding of what's going on in your mentoring relationship. It will likely help to reveal to you attitudes, behaviors and challenges you have that otherwise you might not notice. Over time, the debriefer will be able to narrate or reflect back to you your growth, ask you questions and point you to resources that can help you to keep moving forward. The structure of the course is designed to provide you with time and space needed to reflect on your mentoring practices, share your learning with others, and be encouraged as you also learn from them.
The learning objectives of the course are based on the mentoring competencies outlined in the General Core Competencies in the Competency-Based Consultant Certification Initiative, which SIL and partner agencies have developed. In this first introductory module, you will be asked to review the mentoring competencies and do a self-evaluation. Based on the result of your self-evaluation, you will be able to pick the modules you would like to do and decide the order in which it would make most sense to complete them. You can choose from 12 standalone modules, and you have 1 year to complete the course. In order to get a certificate, you should complete at least 5 modules, including this one, but you are free to choose as many as you like.
When you enrolled for the course, you should have received a personalized email to notify you of who your debriefer is. After you make your choice of modules, you will be prompted to email your debriefer in order to arrange a meeting. At the first meeting, you will get to know each other and have a chat about your choice of modules. Your conversations with your debriefer will be mostly guided by you as the learner and will be as deep as you feel comfortable with. The debrief is not an exam or a test. Its main goal is to help you to process what you learn and apply it to your work. We hope that you will enjoy this experience and your meals. We did our best to make sure that they are tasty and nutritious. Bon appétit!